Good morning all. This is the first video of lesson number 14. The name of the chapter is Natural Disaster of class 5 Science. Okay. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the natural disaster. So first of all, what is a disaster? Disaster is any event that is causing lot of loss to life and property. Okay, that is either people are not living or people are dead after this disaster, or the property of the people is vanished. When it is caused by nature, it is called as natural disaster, such as like tsunami is coming, volcanoes are coming, earthquake is coming, like pandemic COVID-19 has come. So when it is coming by the nature, when nature has caused it, that is called as natural disaster. If it is man-made, like terrorist attack, then it is man-made disaster. So in this chapter you will be reading about what are the natural disasters. So natural disasters are the events, that is different things that are happening by the nature, that are happening in the nature, and they affect the human life. That is, many people are dead or killed during this disaster, and they are affecting the human life as well as the environment, that is the place where we are living. Okay. So they can happen at any time, like any disaster like earthquake, volcano, flood, rains. They can happen any time and at any place without any warning. That is, the nature has not to give any warning to the people that now, okay, the earthquake will come. It can happen anytime. So after this different disaster you will read, first one is earthquake. So earthquake is when the earth is trembling or tremors or it is shocking. So the earthquake is a sudden movement or a disturbance on the earth's surface. It is caused by the movements or the vibrations within the earth. So this is suppose your earth. This is suppose the earth, and if I just move it, if I do it like this. So what will happen? This is the base. Suppose these are the some buildings. Okay, this is one building, and these building will, what will happen if just a sudden shaking, these buildings will collapse, or the roads will collapse, or the poles will be collapsing. So after this earthquake, the damage, that is after the tremors or after the shaking of the earth, whatever is happening or whatever is the result, that depends on, or the damage depends on where the earthquake has taken place and what is the intensity of shaking of the earth. That is, what is the intensity of the earthquake and where it has occurred. Where it has occurred means if it is happening in a very congested area where many people are living, then it is going to cause a lot of damage. If it is happening in an area where less people are living, it is not going to cause much damage. So next is, and if it is on a bigger scale, that is if shaking is continuing for half hour or for 2 days, little bit of shaking going on for 2 days or a longer time, that also results in more destruction. Then is what happens, it leads to the destruction of buildings. Buildings will collapse. These are the results. That is, the buildings will collapse. Bridges will collapse. If the bridges, buildings, roads, they are collapsing, people will not be able to travel. Then it can trigger landslides. Now landslides is from the mountains, the land is sliding down. From the mountains, if the land is sliding down, that is called as the landslides. So it can trigger landslide means it can start that sliding of the land. Trigger means start. And generate tsunamis. Tsunamis you will also read in the coming topics. So tsunamis is a wave where underwater earthquake is happening. When underwater earthquake is there, the sea coast or sea waves will be of a bigger nature. They will be very high, and that is causing destruction. So it can start, that is earthquake can start the landslide, and it can also start the tsunamis. Now you may write.